Hello, my name is James Hamilton and I am the Director of Sport here at Tettenhall College. I am thrilled to announce the launch of our inclusive sports programme, designed to ensure that every student has the opportunity to grow, be challenged and excel. We believe that sports are a vital part of education, not just for the physical well-being, but for personal growth and character building. Our goal is to create an environment where each of you can discover your strengths, push your limits and learn the value of teamwork and sportsmanship. We are introducing a diverse range of sports, from traditional games like football, netball and hockey to emerging activities such as pickleball and climbing. Each sport has been carefully selected to challenge you physically and mentally, ensuring that you gain a broad spectrum of skills and experiences. I want to emphasise that our programme is for everyone. Regardless of your skill level, you will have the chance to play, compete and represent at our school. We are committed to providing equal opportunities for all students to participate in various sports throughout the year. Our PE and sports curriculum is not just about playing games. It's about building a healthier, fitter community. We will focus on physical education that promotes fitness, healthy eating and mental well-being. Our curriculum will help you understand the importance of a balanced lifestyle, which includes proper nutrition and regular physical activity. We also encourage students to take on sports leadership roles and work on our PE and sport outreach programs. These opportunities will allow you to develop leadership skills, mentor younger students, and give back to the community by promoting the benefits of physical activity and healthy living. To support your journey, we have a team of dedicated coaches and staff who will guide you, teach you and cheer you on every step of the way. We will also offer workshops and seminars on topics such as injury prevention, sports psychology and nutrition. For our most gifted athletes, scholarship support is available to help you maximise and balance your time between school and your professional club. Additionally, our scholarship programme provides advanced training and competition opportunities to help you reach your highest potential. Remember, sports at our school are not just about winning. They're about becoming the best version of yourself. I encourage each of you to embrace this opportunity, try new things, and most importantly, have fun.